जो मेरे भाई जो एडा जो
हाँ
मेरा आईडी कार्ड लेके आना, रूम में है वो। लव यू।
ठीक है। क्या रूम है? अभी आईडी कार्ड किधर है? Why can't you take your ID card?
ये लो भाई, योर टी। मीट नयन, शी इज माई फ्रेंड।
Why did we come so early when college starts at 9?
Because I promised her that I'll buy her breakfast and coffee.
I had no idea about this.
I don't know, man. Listen, I'm going to class. I'll see you later.
कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Class.
ओए, तू इधर क्या कर रहा है?
पढ़ रहा होगा, टॉपर है ना।
नहीं भाई, रिसर्च का काम कर रहा था।
भाई याद मत दिला भाई उस चीज़ का। पूरे रात भर जाग के बैठता हूँ उसके बारे में।
हैं? कल रात तो आत्मरा सो रहा था।
अबे चल ना भाई। ओ चल, चाय पीने चलते हैं।
हाँ चलो।
नहीं भाई, तुम लोग जाओ।
आजा।
I don't understand. Why is it necessary for people to smoke while drinking chai? I don't find it cool. But does it even matter to anyone, even if I don't find it cool?
Eda Joe, open the door, da. What? Open the door. What are you doing up inside? Are you making a poop kingdom or what? Open. हट, बाकी लोगों को भी जाना है अंदर।
Hi Joe.
Yeah.
कैसे हो बच्चा?
All good. All of a sudden you called.
I was just missing you. Just wanted to tell you that Papa has made plans to visit Goa with me and some of our friends. We will come meet you in Bangalore on the way back. We'll get you a pretty little diary too.
अच्छा सुनना माँ, भी थोड़ा काम है, बाद में कॉल करता हूँ। Because of all this, I forgot to put my diary back in the bag. I hope it's still there. Anyways, oh, why did माँ call? एक काम करता हूँ, सो जाता हूँ। किधर है बे यार? हाँ, got it.
Hi there, you can call me Anonymous. Don't think I'm a creep, but sorry to have read your diary. If you feel like continuing a conversation, I'm here for you. Just write whatever it is and keep it in the same place.
What on earth just happened? What do they want from me? Who could this person be? Should I respond? क्या करूं? First of all, whoever it is, you should not have touched someone's personal belongings. Sorry, but I don't know who you are, nor do I know why you would strike a conversation with a person like me. But just leaving this diary here in the hope that somebody might respond. I don't know who you are. So if you think of this as a joke, let me tell you, this is not funny.
What are you doing?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing. What is that then? Show me. Show me the phone. You don't know the college code of conduct? That you
Sorry,
should not
sir.
use your mobile phone? How can you just use? Give me your ID
Sorry, sir,
card.
this won't happen again.
Give me your ID card.
Please, sir.
Give your ID card now. Why do we have to tell you again and again? Just to maintain the college
Sorry,
code
sir,
of
this won't
conduct?
happen again.
I don't care.
Please, sir.
I have been
It
observing
won't
this for
repeat again,
past
sir.
1 hour.
I promise.
Same thing you're doing again and again.
Sorry, sir.
Every time. This is the last warning.
Where? Somebody's waiting for you downstairs. I don't know who. They just told me to call you. Okay.
तू है क्या हुआ?
Joe, take this. My mom sent for you from Kerala.
Why now? You could have given to me at home.
But I wanted to show your girl classmate that I actually care for you.
अजीब आदमी है भाई तू.
Quickly go and have. Don't let it be cold.
ठीक है. Bye.
ओके डेफिनेटली ये मजाक नहीं है एंड आई वुड रियली लाइक टू बी योर फ्रेंड. मेरे ज़्यादा दोस्त नहीं हैं तो आई वुड लव टू बी योर सीक्रेट समवन. आई वांट टू टेल यू मोर अबाउट माई सेल्फ और इसे छुपाए रखना इज़ फन. बाय द वे उस टी शर्ट में सही लग रहे थे.
Hey, I don't know who you are. I don't even know if you are a man or a woman. But all I thought of saying is, thank you for approaching this lone human. I don't know if I might be of any help to you, or why would you want to be friends with me. But talking to someone who also needs a friend might be of a great start to something new. Let's not disclose any information because I have only 3 months left in this college. No idea about you, but it was great getting to know someone. By the way, I had a question though. How do you know me? Are you someone I know or someone I met before? Because other than my roommate, I don't think anybody knows I write a diary. Thanks though.
Joe, बेटा, बेटा, क्या कर रहा है?
Wash.
So, how was your day?
It was good until you came. What was all about that kappa and fish curry?
Oh, that my mom sent for you. She knew you love kappa and fish curry. By the way, how was it? Hello, how
Huh?
was it?
It was good, bro. It was tasty. I was hungry also, so I immediately went to class and had it. Listen, something weird happened today.
Every day is weird for you. Some girl came and proposed you.
You know my habit of writing diary, right? Like usual, I was writing diary yesterday. Then two of my classmates came. They just pulled me out for a chai, and I just put my book on a random slab.
तो ऐसे ही डायरी लाइब्रेरी में फेंक के चला गया.
Huh. But I didn't realize it until evening. Then today morning, I went to check if the book was there or not. Then I saw something weird.
Weird. Was the couple making out? हाँ. Now I'll go to the library.
हर चीज क्यों सेक्सुअलाइज करता है? Anyways, I was not going to say that. Some random person has written they want to be my friend.
Someone wants to be your friend.
So I replied and left the book there. And during lunch you came to give kappa and fish curry, right? I was just curious, so I just went to check if they had replied. When I went there, I saw someone holding the book in their hand, and by the time I go there, the person was not there.
So you're saying that some anonymous person wants to be your friend. You don't even know who that is. I'm telling you, bro, that is a ghost. Or maybe an angel. Who knows?
Talking to is useless, bro. हर बार लड़के लड़के लड़की. Hey, good night.
What did I do?
Hey bro, congratulations on completing 1.5 months of secret friendship. मुझे अभी तक यकीन नहीं हुआ था कि how we survive for so long. पर मुझे तुमसे एक सीरियस सवाल पूछना था. Have you ever enjoyed your own company? You love it when I give you tasks, ना? Cool then. एक काम करो. Take a small trip in Bangalore. Explore some pretty places. But अकेले जाना. चर्च स्ट्रीट जाओ, नए लोगों से मिलो, कुछ अच्छा खाना खाओ and make the day worth it. वापस आके बताना how it went. I tried once and now and every time I do it. मैंने किया, अब तुम भी करके देखो. It's actually fun.
Can I do this? I think I'll do it. पर मैं कैसे करूँ ये?
तू कहाँ जा रहा है?
बैंगलोर घूमने.
बैंगलोर? अबे कैसे? ऑटो में क्यों जा रहा है? मेट्रो में जा. इट विल बी लेस कॉस्टली ओनली. एक मिनट, तेरा फ़ोन दे. उसमें एक ऐप है, उसमें मेट्रो का अपडेट मिल जाएगा. हाँ, ये ले. संभल के जाना. और चश्मा लगा, सनग्लास लगा. पूरा कार्टून लग रहा है.
Hey, I can't wait to tell you about my solo outing in this long weekend. It was so good. Before leaving my house, I was a bit scared if I'd mess it up. Then my roommate downloaded a metro app for me for easy tracking. For the first time, I rode in a metro. When I reached the church street, it was so mesmerizing. There were so many people buying stuff, having food and enjoying. I had an ice cream while looking around and realizing how school children were so excited to see colorful balloons. I walked around the area for some time and checked out different kinds of things people were selling. I spoke to a few shop owners where they told me about the importance of Church Street and its existence. My weekend was so great, all thanks to you. You were so right. Why would you need another person to make you realize that you can go out alone and have fun? By the way, I just want to tell you that will you never respond back to me? Why did you ghost me all of a sudden?
How are you? I thought 3 days back. So, are you not at the area?
Joe, come here, man. ये क्या है? What is this?
क्या है?
ये क्या है मतलब?
वो मेरा नहीं है,
फिर किसका है?
रोहन का भी नहीं हो सकता, मालूम नहीं है मुझे।
मालूम नहीं मतलब? ऐसे तुम रहते हो? How do you this way?
मेरा नहीं है ना।
देखो देखो तुम्हारा लड़का क्या कर रहा है। Go and see what he is doing. क्या बस करो? जाके देख क्या है उसके उधर बॉटल में।
अभी
तेरा नहीं है मतलब किसका है?
रोहन का भी नहीं, मालूम नहीं।
इधर नहीं रहता है। कौन रहता है इधर?
अब किधर से आ रहे हैं सभी?
किधर से आया मतलब? तुझे पता नहीं मैं कहाँ रहता हूँ? बेड भी स्टे।
वो नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ मैं,
क्या नहीं पूछ रहे थे?
बचपन से
हाँ
अभी तक
हाँ
आप मुझे किया है क्या?
क्या किया है?
अभी taking
कैसे
care of
बड़ा हुआ?
me.
कैसे बड़ा हुआ? ऑटोमेटिक बड़ा हुआ?
As if you guys took care of me. Every time I was sick, my friend took care of me. Did you guys take care of me? No.
ये ऐसे इसी के लिए ये देखो के लिए बचे
जो प्लीज कूल डाउन ऐसा नहीं है कि हम तुमसे प्यार नहीं करते
I'm sure you guys are here because your flight was on way off or something. You guys don't even care about me. Why you guys are here? I don't even know.
ऐसा नहीं है जो ऐसा नहीं है हम तुम्हारे लिए केयर नहीं करते प्यार नहीं करते
I've already
हमेशा
5 times.
Yeah, no.
Why you guys here? I don't even know.
You don't know us?
No. हाँ वही तो करना आया था आपको हर बार जाने का. Have you guys ever gave time for me, understood me? Nothing. बस ऐसे ही चले जाएंगे.
यार सॉरी जो ऐसे नहीं है कि हम आपसे प्यार नहीं करते आपको समझते हमें अपनी लाइफ में इन्वॉल्व करो जो कुछ है हमसे बात करो जो कुछ है हमें बहुत से समझना है.
सिर्फ एक से नहीं हो जाता. आपको भी टाइम देना है.
We are sorry for that. Will we try to be a good parents, okay?
जब तू बाप बनेगा तब तुम देख आजा एक प्यार की जिद दे.
Hey bro, sorry for ghosting you for so long, but कुछ पर्सनल इशू के चक्कर में घर जाना पड़ा था. I was thinking that it is high time we meet each other because I don't want to hide it anymore. अगर तुम सच में जानना चाहते हो मैं कौन हूँ, कल दोपहर 4:30 को बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट आ जाना. डायरी में और लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बस आ जाना. जो कुछ भी तुमने मेरे लिए किया उसके लिए थैंक यू. Closing this diary of memories as this is the last time I'll be writing here.
Joe, you didn't recognize me?
No.
What?
Do I know you from somewhere?
Okay. I'm Tara.
Tara? I have no idea.
No?
No.
You're anonymous teen.
Huh?
Dude, how can you?
I thought you were a boy.
No. Jokes apart, I want to talk something serious. See, Joe, the thing is, I only have few months to live. I have cancer, but it's fine. You don't have to be so sad about it because I'm happy that I could make a change in your life. I can't do that for myself, but
I did it for you. I'm so glad that we met.
Joe! Joe!
हाँ, कमिंग.